Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through, give you step by step on how to hide chats in Zoom. Now you can hide all disabled chats in a Zoom meeting by restricting who can send messages. And here's how. As the host, how do you do it? 1. During the meeting, you click on the participants button in the meeting controls. Next, click on chat in the participants panel. Now you can select one of the following options. You have three options actually: no one, host only, everyone, publicly and private. So the first option for no one means that if you select that, you're disabling chat completely for all participants. And if you choose host only, it means only the host, which is you, can send messages. If you choose everyone publicly and privately, it means that participants can send both public and private messages to other participants. Please note, host control. Only the host or co-host has the ability to control chat settings during a meeting. So if you're the host, you can control the chat settings. If you're a co-host, you can also do that. If not, you can't. Next, pre-meeting settings. You can also control chat settings before a meeting by navigating to settings in your Zoom account, clicking on the meeting tab and adjusting the in-meeting, that is the basic setting under meeting chat. By adjusting the settings, you can effectively control the level of chat interaction during your Zoom meeting. I hope this helps you. So, if you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day or night, depending on your time zone. Bye for now.